Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this beautiful daisy ring. The items that you will need are 3 colors of beads. For this design I choose to use green, white and pink beads, scissors and jewelry wire, but you can also use fishing line. We start by cutting off some wire and place one white bead in the middle of the wire. Then we grab both ends of the wire and put the green beads on both ends. Push them down and take one pink bead and put one pink bead on one side of the wire. Take the other end of the wire and push this through the other side of the bead. Just like this, so you get a crossover section and pull the wire. Now your ring should look like this. Then put 2 pink beads on both ends. Pinch both ends together and push the 2 ends through a white bead. Pull the wire so it looks like this. Then grab one side and push the wire from the bottom up through the pink beads. Do the same thing on the other side. Push it from the bottom up and pull the wire so it looks like this. Now we grab another pink bead and use the same crossover technique from the beginning, like this, and pull the wire. Now you have a cute little daisy flower. Take both ends of the wire again and add one green bead on either side. Then take a white bead and make a crossover section again. So you have something like this. Now you grab both ends of the wire and alternate the green and white beads with each other. So you get a little chain like this. Make sure you make it long enough so it can wrap around your finger, and then attach it to the beginning of the ring with a knot and cut off the excess wire. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if this was helpful for you. And I will try my best to answer your questions in the comments.